Hello, my name is Luis from D-LIFEFORCE. If you're serious about exploring the benefits of alternative health, lifestyle, and treatments that includes body cleanses and enemas, but feel insecure about which products to buy and worried about making the wrong choice, I have some excellent news. At D-LIFEFORCE, we're dedicated and passionate about creating the highest quality alternative health and lifestyle products available for you to enjoy a safe and hygienic experience. This is especially true when it comes to our two popular enema kits. Introducing D-LIFEFORCE Enema Bag Kit and Enema Bucket Kit, the perfect choice for newcomers and anyone wishing to update or replace old or worn equipment. The big advantage with both these kits is they're simple to use and both come complete with a 6.2 feet silicone tube, two types of soft nozzles for your comfort, a flow control valve that's easy to regulate, and an anti-backflow valve to guarantee a hassle-free hygienic experience. The 2-quart bag is made from medical-grade silicone and features two reinforced hanging holes to safely support and keep the bag closed when in use to avoid spillages. Likewise, the 2-quart bucket is made from high-grade stainless steel and built to last a lifetime. As with all great product design, the D-LIFEFORCE team understands that ease of use is essential, especially when it comes to personal hygiene, comfort, and safety. By now, it will be obvious that myself and the entire D-LIFEFORCE team are 100% committed to living an empowered and healthy lifestyle that includes body cleanses, detoxes, live organic foods, and enemas. That's why you can feel confident that we will never compromise on quality and only sell products that we are happy to use ourselves. You'll also be pleased to hear that when you purchase one of our D-LIFEFORCE Enema kits, you receive our comprehensive Enema booklet, packed with full instructions and everything you need to know about performing coffee enemas, macrobiotic implants, and much more. Plus, as a bonus for taking positive action today, we're giving you a massive 40% lifetime discount off our exclusive Spare Parts for Enema Kits package that includes all the nozzles, valves, and connectors that you'll ever need, allowing for wear and constant use over time. To get started, click the link below and subscribe to our Healthy Lifestyle newsletter and blog, where you'll find tips and recipes to help you enjoy purity of body and peace of mind. You'll also qualify for a full 15% discount off D-LIFEFORCE Enema Kits on Amazon when you subscribe today. Look out for the 15% promo code in your subscription email. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, click below and get started now.